Hey designers! Good to have you back on Kavu Creative. In this tutorial, we're going to create a poly art design. We'll be using Adobe Illustrator for this. It is very easy. Just follow the steps. Let's begin. Start by double-clicking the Artboard tool. Inside the options, look at the Display section. Select Show Center Mark. Now press OK. Turn off the fill color. We just need the stroke. Select the Rectangle tool. Hold the Alt key and click on the center mark. Enter 50 pixels for both width and height. Then click OK. Select the Pen tool. Draw a cross on the square, just like I am doing. Hold the Control key. Click on an empty space to finish the path. Select everything. Hold Alt and Shift, then drag to the right to make a copy. Now, press Ctrl D 3 times to repeat it. Select everything. Right-click and choose Group. Hold Alt and Shift keys. Drag a copy upwards. Press Ctrl D 3 times. Select everything. Right-click and choose Group. Now, align it to the center. Select the Shape Builder tool. Swap the stroke to fill. This helps us combine the parts easily. Move the mouse over the shapes. The plus sign means you are adding shapes. Hold the Alt key to switch to delete mode. You will see a minus sign. Click to remove the extras. Right-click and choose Ungroup. Select everything again. Hold Shift and click on the design you want to keep. Now press Delete to remove the extra parts. Select all objects. Apply colors, using the Eyedropper tool. Hold the Control key to temporarily switch to the Selection tool. Select the entire design. Select the Rotate tool. Hold Alt and click on the center point. Set the angle to 90 degrees. Click Copy. Press Ctrl D 2 times to complete the pattern. Select the entire design. From the Object menu, select Expand. Make sure Fill and Stroke are checked. Click OK. Open Pathfinder and choose Divide. Select the Magic Wand tool. Click on the white outline. Hit Delete to remove it. Great job! The result looks professional. Like the video if it helped you. Subscribe to Kavu Creative for more design tips. See you next time. Stay consistent. Keep exploring your creativity. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.